welcome to Amateur Investing. Big news, first thing, whoa, that's right, I have a mount for my cell phone that goes on my steering wheel now. I don't know why that exists, but I'm going to take advantage of it. Second thing, I should sound a little different. Hopefully I sound better because I have an external microphone. Very epic. Next big thing, we hit 100 subscribers. Thank you guys, that's amazing, I appreciate it. Next goal, 200, let's do it. By the way, if you're new, subscribe, I'd appreciate it. Thanks. All right, what's next? Fourth? Third? Fourth? I don't know. We are expanding. We now have a website, amateurinvesting.net. Not .com, .net, because .com is being held hostage and costs a lot of money. Also, we have these socials now.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
So the website is going to have articles covering different topics because that's a lot easier to make than a full-fledged video. Right now, it's going to be pretty derivative. I'm padding it out by just putting in video transcripts. So expect it to be pretty boring at first, but hopefully very interesting and useful down the line. And finally, a schedule going forward. So I've been pretty inconsistent with this channel. I want to change that. My goal right now is one main video a week and one short on technical analysis. I don't know necessarily what it's going to be moving forward, but something more quickly edited, fast-paced, in your face, that sort of deal. So a lot of stuff to look forward to. I'm glad you're all here. I'm excited for the ride going forward. I hope you're excited as well. Stick around. If you liked the video, like. If you hated it, dislike, leave a comment, subscribe. Okay, bye.
I broke up with my ex-girl. Here's a number. Psych! That's the wrong number!